SQL stands for Structured Query Language and is a computer language created to store, manage, and query data from a relational database. SQL is the standard language used to interact with relational databases, such as Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server. It is designed to allow users to easily search, retrieve, update, and manipulate data stored in the database. SQL works by using a set of commands to interact with the database. These commands can be written in the standard query language, SQL, dialect of query language, which is a special type of software language used for managing relational databases. The SQL dialect is designed in such a way that it is easy to read and understand. The SQL dialect is also designed to be type-safe, which means that it can only be used to return results which are specific to the kind of query that was specified. SQL statements are the commands that are used to interact with the relational database. These statements include select, which is used to retrieve data from the database, insert, which is used to insert new data into the database, update, which is used to modify data in the database, and delete, which is used to delete data from the database. Other types of statements can also be used, such as create, alter, drop, and grant. SQL is preferred over other database management languages because it is easier to learn and use, and it can also be more efficient for large databases. It is also much more reliable and secure, as it offers better support for transactions, and it can be used to manage complex data sets. SQL is also widely supported and used by major companies and organizations, making it easier for developers to use it in their projects. To conclude, SQL is a powerful and reliable language used to manage and interact with relational databases. It is the preferred language for working with data from these databases, and its use will likely become more widespread in the future. With a good understanding of the language, anyone can manage their data effectively and securely.